Features Overview. Each Juliet comes with a light tack 12-inch by 12-inch cutting mat. This allows you to use a wide variety of materials such as, but not limited to, HTV, PSV, cardstock or other paper crafts, and much more. With the new Juliet, cutting has been made easy with matte and matless cutting options. With a fast and quiet motor, you will be sure to get all your projects done quickly and proficiently. Juliet has 3 individual pinch rollers that allow for precise material tracking on and off the mat. To load your material off the mat, gently press the material edge against the pinch rollers and press the up arrow on your interface. Juliet also has a main pinch wheel lever that allows you to load material on the mat with ease. To load material from the back of your Juliet, press down on the pinch wheel lever, load your material between the pinch wheels and the cutting surface, and pull the pinch wheel lever in the up position to lock in your material. Juliet comes equipped with a commercial style blade holder, so you have the power to change your blades in a flash depending on your project. Creativity just found a new best friend, and that's the Juliet High Definition Cutter by Siser.